Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. No one is your friend until you win. Yes, this sentence may sound painful, but it is one of the biggest truths of life. Today, I want to share my real life story with you. A story of failure, loneliness, and finally success. This story will teach you why people change when you start winning. Why self belief is more important than friends, how to build a strong mindset, and how you can improve your English fluency while listening. So, listen carefully till the end because the story can change your thinking forever. Part 1. My struggle. Few years ago, I was nothing. No money, no confidence, no success. People looked at me and saw a loser. When I talked about my dreams, they laughed. They said, "You cannot do this. You are wasting your time. You are not smart enough. You will fail." Even my close friends stopped believing in me. When I needed support, they were busy. When I needed motivation, they were silent. I felt alone. Every night I asked myself, why does nobody believe in me? But through the painful realization, one day I understood a hard truth. People don't follow potential. People follow results. They don't support your struggle. They support your success. When you are poor, they ignore you. When you are rich, they respect you. When you are weak, they doubt you. When you are strong, they admire you. This is not because they are bad. It is because this is human nature. That day, I stopped begging for support. I stopped explaining my dreams. I stopped looking for friends. And I started working on myself. Part 3. The change. I decided to become better every day. I woke up early. I walked when others slept. I learned when others played. I failed many times, but I never stopped. I started reading books. I practiced English daily. I listened to motivational videos. I improved my skills step by step, slowly, very slowly. I began to change. My mindset changed. My confidence changed. My life started changing. Part 4. When I started winning, one day people noticed me. The same people who ignored me before. Now they were smiling at me. The same people who laughed at me. Now they were asking me for advice. They said, "You are inspiring, you are lucky, you are successful." But they did not see my sleepless nights. They did not see my pain. They did not see my failures. They only saw my victory. That is why I say again, no one is your friend until you win. Part 5. Important life lessons. Let me share some lessons with you. Lesson 1. Believe in yourself even if nobody believes in you. You must believe in yourself. Self belief is power. Lesson 2. Work in silence. Do not talk about your plans. Show your results. Success makes more noise than words. Lesson 3. Pain builds strength. Hard times are not punishment, they are preparation. Lesson 4. Improve every day. Learn something new daily. Improve your English. Improve your skills. Improve your mindset. Part 6. For English learners. If you are learning English, this journey is also yours. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Speak daily. Listen daily. Practice daily. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need fearless English. If today you feel alone, if people ignore you, if nobody supports you, don't be sad. This is the beginning of your success story. Use this pain as fuel. Use this loneliness as power. Use this doubt as motivation. One day you will win. And then the world will change. But by that time, you will not need their approval anymore because you will believe in yourself. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. If you want more motivational English stories, subscribe to this channel. And remember one thing, no one is your friend until you win. So become strong, become successful, become unstoppable. Thank you for watching.